c'est orange. Orange? Mais oui. Oh là là. C'est orange. C'est orange. Yeah, orange. We bilingual.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey folks, welcome to my channel. It's Vageline here, your favorite wig influencer. If you happen to be new here, I'm actually doing a Pride wig series for the month of June where I go about reviewing a bunch of colorful, out the norm for me, synthetic wigs. If you end up watching this video all the way to the end and you like what you see, please make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for all the future wigs that I'm going to review for this month. But if you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, come on, let's get into Who Them Girls. You can watch me put her all the way together. Yeah, I'll give you all her sneaky deaky details. All right, folks, come on, let's go. Alright, so let's get into Miss Thing's logistics, shan't we? So I bought this wig from samsbeauty.com. This is from Janet Collection. It's the Melt series, and her name is Bailey. Now, she is a pre-plucked unit, pre-customized natural hairline. She's 100% hand-tied, 13x6 frontal parting. She has natural density, adjustable elastic wig band, and she's pre-installed. Heat safe up to 360 Fahrenheit. My girl has the transparent lace, like I said before, for a seamless blend with any skin tone or color. She has baby hairs to complete the look, and soft Swiss lace, perfect for any meltdown with any lace adhesive. Now, this is what Miss Thing is looking like straight out the pack. As you can see, she does have a really nice hairline. She does come with the baby hairs, and her roots are dark. I wasn't expecting that the whole thing was going to be this orange color. Now, the inside has two combs. The inside cap has the two combs on the side, one in the back, and my wig band on this cap is missing. I feel like Janet Collection has done this to me before, but I cannot remember. So yeah, Janet, y'all owe me an elastic band for my wig. So I put the wig on my mannequin head because I'm definitely going to try to pluck her, because I feel like she needs it. Like, yes, she's pre-plucked, and I guess you can go ahead and style her like this if you want to. But I'm starting to realize when you do go about plucking your wigs and then laying them down, it does give more, it melts better. So this is what the hairline is giving after I went about plucking her. I think I did a good enough job. I could have did better, but yeah. And this is the color of the wig. She is, I love this color. I'm not even gonna lie. I love this color. It's so nice. And I love the fact that the roots are dark and then it goes into the light. If it was the other way around, I don't think I would have liked her as much. Plus, she might have given off like real Barbie kind of hair if that was the case. So I'm going in with a medium dark tinting spray to spray my lace, and I'm using this lace bond, Kiss Lace Bond, to go ahead and melt my wig down. Now, I said it in my last video that I was going to do it this way instead, just to get the melt down a little bit better, and it worked, but I still need some more practice with this lace glue, because this one is, she's no joke. She is no joke. So I'm gonna stop talking so you can see the process of me laying down this wig. And at the end, I'll give you, I guess, my pros and cons on Miss Janet Collection Bailey. Okay, so let's get into Miss Thing's pros and cons. First of all, like I said before, I got her from samsbeauty.com. I only paid $14.99. I'm gonna repeat that. I only paid $14.99. So for $14.99, I ain't even mad at this wig. Okay, I'm not mad that she tangles. I'm not mad that she sheds, and she only shed because I plucked her. I am not mad that she kind of sort of look Barbie-ish on camera. I'm not mad at that at all, because baby, she is serving. She melted really good. She is definitely big head friendly. The texture on her, like I said, she tangles, but she's actually really soft. But she's a cute wig, like she's adorable. Like, she is a wig that you can dress up, dress down. You can take it to a concert. You can take it to a picnic. You can do whatever with this wig, baby. And the fact that it goes from the dark root to the light colors, I mean, yeah, I should have bought more than one. Because $14, what? Where? How? Come on, Janet Collection. Y'all did that. Y'all did that. And the way this wig melted... And I could have did a better job. I'm not even going to lie to you. But the way this wig melted, baby, come on. Like, I have no words. Absolutely no words. She is an excellent wig for Pride. Okay. For this month, this should be, out of all the wigs that I've already reviewed, this one is up there, my top wig. Because she is serving. Would I buy her again for $14.99? You're damn right I would. But unfortunately, I think this wig is pretty much out of style. So that's the reason why she was $14.99. So yeah, so that's that. Alright, now that we got to the end of this video, I hope you like this wig as much as I do. She definitely has her cons because she looks amazing. But she tangles, she might shed, and yeah, all that jazz. But off of looks alone, I'll probably give her 10. She eats, you feel me? In order for you to see the other wigs that I have coming up, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video like this one, oh baby, y'all see it, y'all see it, chicken hair mo, y'all see it, y'all see it. Y'all can't see that part. You will go ahead and get notified. Alright folks, see you in my next video. Bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.